Hello, hello, hello. You got your girl Sabrina Wright here, and I am your prosperity coach. I am super excited you decided to join me on this video because I am going to be talking about income shifting. So the question is Sabrina, what is income shifting? I hear you talk about income shifting. I hear you talking about learning the secrets of the money game, right? And so what income shifting is, I know I made it kind of sound funny and interesting, but income shifting is simply taking the money that you are putting out and shifting it back into your pocket, right? Think about what taxes does. Taxes shift your money out and you pay your IRS, right? Think about what the banks do. You putting your money into the bank, and the banks are getting richer. They're putting loans and interest on your money, right? So you're shifting, you're income shifting all the time, whether you know it or not. When you go out and buy things, right? Especially when you go out and finance things, you're definitely shifting your income to that creditor's bank account, right? And so what MyEcon teaches you is how to shift that income back into your home, right? Meaning eliminating taxes, meaning coming from the highest tax bracket, which is which is employee, right, to a small business owner, right, which is the middle, the tax bracket, to becoming a big business owner, which gets your tax bracket even lower to coming into an investor. All right, so we're shifting that income, bringing you out of the highest tax bracket, which is employee, all the way to their investor bracket, and that's shifting your income from high taxes all the way to low taxes to almost zero, right? And so MyEcon teaches you how to shift that income. We want you to get a home-based business, because once you get your home-based business and you have a 9-to-5, you can write off things like the internet, like your cell phone bill, like some of your clothes, right? Even some business trips. So we teach you how to shift that income. Most people think they need to go get another job to lower their tax bracket or to bring more money back into their home, but they simply need to learn strategy, all right? Most people think they gotta go work more physically to earn more money, when you simply need to learn strategy, all right? And so that is what income shifting is. We have one strategy I'm going to share with you on this video, but what I need for you to do right now, if you're listening to me, is to like this video, share this video, and then click that link in the bottom of the video which says www.diysmartcredit.com. That's do-it-yourself smartcredit.com. Go ahead and grab my cheat sheet on how to increase your credit scores. Go ahead and watch those videos about creating wealth so that you know what I'm talking about when I say bringing yourself from employee to investor. It's called the cash flow quadrant, and I have that video as part of my videos as well. So if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you will be able to find that creating wealth video, and that talks about the cash flow quadrant. Okay, so getting back to the income shifting, we have one strategy that we use, and that's called correcting your W-4 form. That job that you have, if you work a 9-to-5, we teach you how to fill out that W-4 form correctly so that you can shift your income and you can bring back $200 to $800 back into your paycheck without asking your boss, all right? I got a friend named Tracy. Her and her husband income shifted and got back $400, $200 a piece back into their paycheck from their home, from their job, back into their home. So you do 400 times 12 months, right? So they were able to eliminate their debt, right? They were able to eliminate a car note, right? They were able to now start investing to minimize those taxes and become an investor. She's invested in Uber, Exxon, Disney, and so many other things that we teach here at MyEcon. And that link of the way that you can start getting free stock is also in the comment box. All right, I mean in the bio section of this video. You need to get free stock. There's another way that we teach income shifting. Okay, but overall, income shifting is simply taking the income that you are shifting out into the economy and bringing it back into your household. And MyEcon is short for My Economy. So we're teaching you how to create your own economy simply by shifting your income. All right. So that's all income shifting is literally getting your income shifted back into your pocket, out of the bank's hand where they can get high interest rates on it, putting it back into your pocket so you can eliminate your debt. You can start creating generational wealth, right? Start buying some properties, creating, having assets, having money in the stock market, which is a Robinhood app that we use at MyEcon. And that link is in the bottom of this video. But if you just use the strategies that we use here at MyEcon for income shifting, you will begin to create cash flow. And that is what we want to ultimately teach you, is how to create that cash flow so that your cash flow is multiplying your money and your money is working for you and you're not working for your money. All right. And so that is what MyEcon teach you. That is all income shifting is. We just use a fancy term to make it sound fun, so that we are able to catch your attention so that you learn the strategies of income shifting, how to shift your money from going out of your bank account to coming into your bank account. Is a big deal, and it takes financial literacy. All right. So click that link in the bottom of this video. I teach people how to create financial wealth, how to shift their income from going out into the economy to back into their own economy. I teach you how to get stock free. All right. So all of those things is part of being of the prosperity agent team that I have here at MyEcon. So just click the link at the bottom of the video. Share this video, guys. Make sure you're subscribed and stay in tune to all the amazing videos that I'll be uploading really, really soon, teaching you strategies of the wealthy, the secrets of the wealthy. Okay, guys. So my name is Sabrina Wright. I'm your prosperity coach, guys, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. You deserve to win. Bye-bye now.